Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to everybody. The weather today is very hot, isn't it? Today, I will explain to you all about the title of global warming. Do you all know what it is? Since 1950, the average temperature of the Earth has been rising, and this trend is expected to continue. Climate change is that cause an increase in average temperature is also referred to as global warming. However, global warming is caused by natural and human events that are thought to contribute to an increase in average temperature. Did you guys know that global warming is a serious problem that is caused by a combination of environmental issues? Global warming is a rise in the Earth's surface temperature that has altered various life forms on the planet. The issues that cause global warming are divided into two categories, which is natural and human influence. Among the natural causes that cause global warming is for centuries, the climate has been changing. Global warming occurs as a result of the sun's natural rotations, which change the intensity of sunlight and cause it to move closer to the Earth. Next, greenhouse gases are another contributor to global warming. Greenhouse gases are carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, which trap solar heat rays and prevent them from escaping from the Earth's surface. As a result, the Earth's temperature has risen. Furthermore, volcanic eruptions are another source of global warming. A single volcanic eruption, for example, will emit significant amounts of carbon dioxide and ash into the atmosphere. When carbon dioxide level rise, the Earth temperature rise, and greenhouse gases trap solar radiation. Finally, methane is a contributor to global warming. Methane is a greenhouse gas as well. Methane is 20 times more effective than carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere. Methane gas can typically be released from a variety of sources. It could come from cattle, a landfill, natural gas, petroleum system, coal mining, a mobile explosion, or an industrial waste process, for example. Because humans do not care for the Earth, human influence has become a very serious issue. Humans are more responsible for global warming than natural causes. The Earth has been changing for many years and continues to change as a result of modern human lifestyle, industrial productions, the use of fossil fuels, mining, cattle rearing, and deforestation are all a sample of human activity. The first problem is the Industrial Revolution. Industry has traditionally used fossil fuels to power machines. Everything we use is fueled by fossil fuels. For example, when we buy a mobile phone, the manufacturing process involves machines, and machines use fossil fuels, releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Aside from industry, transportation such as automobile emits carbon dioxide through exhaust. Mining is another issue. Methane will be trapped beneath the earth during the mining process. Furthermore, cattle rearing produce methane because cattle produce manure. Cattle, on the other hand, is significant because it holds the latter equally responsible for the occurrence of global warming. The most prevalent issue is deforestation. Deforestation is a human-caused phenomenon because humans have been cutting down trees to produce paper, wood, and to build houses, among other things. Carbon dioxide will concentrate in the atmosphere if humans continue to deforest because trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Furthermore, when we breathe, we emit carbon dioxide. As a result, millions of people's breath has released carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. If humans continue to deforest, the carbon dioxide they emit will remain in the atmosphere. Next, let's move on with the impact that comes from global warming. Since hundreds of years ago, greenhouse gases has been present in the atmosphere for a long time. However, the consequences of global warming are extremely serious. If global warming continues, many negative consequences will occur. This includes melting polar ice caps, economic consequences, Warmer waters and more hurricanes, disease spread, and earthquakes. The melting of the polar ice caps is the first effect. The ice at the North Pole will melt as a temperature rise. The first effect of melting ice will be an increase in the sea levels as melting glaciers become oceans. The National Shows and Ice Data Centers estimate that if the ice melts today, the sea would rise about 230 feet. It has an impact on many low-lying areas, including the Netherlands. Once the North Pole melts, the Netherlands will be submerged in water. However, it will not happen quickly and the sea level will continue to rise. Another effect is species extinctions. Climate change will drive the extinctions of species such as polar bears and tropical frogs. Furthermore, because animals are not like humans, various birds will migrate to other areas. They are unable to adapt to change in their environment, such as temperature or living conditions. The next effect will be more hurricanes with economic consequences as well. Houses are damaged by the hurricane, and the government must spend billions of dollars to repair the damage, while people require a shelter or have been killed. When a disaster strikes, many people die and disease spread. Diseases are more serious because they can spread quickly to other people, causing more people to contract the disease, and the disease may become more severe due to change in weather. In conclusion, all parties must work together to resolve the growing issue of global warming every year. They should ban illegal logging and forest burning activities as it will cause dirty air to enter the airspace, which will result in global warming. They should also increase the number of forest reserves and reduce manufacturing activities that require burning activities in order to avoid this. That's the only thing I can tell everyone. Thank you and may see you again to another time.